You know why Allah loves the nawafil? Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, in one hadith He tells the angels, you're not obligated to do these acts. You're still doing them. This shows Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and the angels how much you love Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. When a son or daughter is fulfilling their mandatory obligation towards their parents, that's great. May God bless them. But when they do more, their parents love them more. Because a mother will say, look, my daughter, she did not have to go that far to satisfy me, but she did. She went out of her way to serve me, to obey me. I love her more. It's the same with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. When He sees you doing recommended deeds, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala realizes that you truly love Him because you're not even obligated. That's why one hadith says that those who miss Salat al-Layl, if you miss the midnight prayers, you know it's recommended to make them up during the day, not during the night. If you miss Salat al-Layl, make it up during the day. Now the hadith says Allah will see one of His servants making up Salat al-Layl during the day. Allah will say to the angels, my angels, look at him. Salat al-Layl was not even mandatory in the first place, but he's making the effort to make them up. Allah brags about you in front of the angels for doing that. Recommended acts such as Salat al-Layl, which illuminates your grave, illuminates the path for you on the day of judgment, reciting the Holy Quran, helping someone, being gentle with someone.